I decided to be a part of the McCrory 11 for health and environmental justice because these two things are incredibly linked. And we have got to stand as a people of North Carolina to say to our leaders, to say to Governor McCrory, to say to our legislature, stop poisoning us, stop blockading medical care for our people.
As the daughter of a cancer survivor, as the mother of 3 children who will inherit this place and the decisions that are made, I knew it was up to me to voice those concerns and speak directly to our leadership, to protect our people, and in the hopes that our voices can be heard.
Today is August 15th, 2014. That's the 67th anniversary of India's independence. Independence came about for India because millions of people decided that they were actually capable and wanted to take care and decide the future of their airs, lands, and waters. And they would not have anyone else decide what happened to the future of India or the future of the Indian people. I wanted to participate in the McCrory 11 because I believe that the tradition of nonviolent civil disobedience still applies today and that we need to keep it alive today because we are facing the same issues. We still need to fight, to have sovereignty, to be able to make decisions over our states, lands, airs, and waters. And we won't hand over the hard work of democracy to private interests and corporations. We will defend it and we will keep fighting.
I'm here today because I was arrested in June along with 10 other very courageous people. As river systems, whole river systems are compromised, whole people, generations of people's future are compromised.
It just seems like this, our representatives are not thinking about these things and are not keeping us in mind as they represent us and thinking about the kind of environment that makes us well and that keeps us well and the kind of care that takes care of us when we're not well. But as a medical student, as someone who's really interested in the health of our community and the health of our state, denying hundreds of thousands of people healthcare access is just unforgivable. If we're planning for any kind of positive future, we can't have people's mothers and sisters and fathers and brothers being sick and not being taken care of.
So when I think about the kind of North Carolina I would want to invite future generations into, it's one where we have clean water, clean air, a healthcare system that really takes care of folks, a thriving educational system, an end to systemic violence. And I see these issues as all connected to each other. When we do acts of civil disobedience, it's a choice to break a small law in the service of shifting towards a greater law. That greater law is us manifesting the kind of future that we dream of for North Carolina. So when we took our message to Governor McCrory to say, please bring an end to fracking, please clean up coal ash in our state, please bring about a Medicaid expansion that would save thousands and thousands of lives, we weren't just doing it for ourselves, we were doing it with many who wish they could stand with us, and we were doing it in service of so many to come.
I gotta say.